We're an agribusiness student. Of course, green flag me.
Sure ha! We're an agribusiness student. Of course, we're one with nature.
Kabula ba ka? Nag-break si Kuan og si Kuan?
Uy, dili man ang meaning sa one with nature, B.
We're agribusiness student. Of course, mukhaon may basketball sa halaman.
Uy, Christmas man na!
We're agribusiness students. Of course, we support biodiversity.
We're an agribusiness student. Of course, animal whisperer me.
We're agribusiness students. And of course, tanong-tanong lami.
Uy, ito ang mat ba?
We're agribusiness student. Of course, sige na miglaag. Look at the place, guys.
Uy, ayun. Masira itong image.
We're an agribusiness students. Of course,
We support local!
Uy, yung dangin na mabuang na ka.